and welcome dear viewers. You're watching ERi-TV. I'm Basabet Tahla, beginning this broadcast with the major headlines for today. Meeting on developing irrigation farming in Fortosawa. Victory for Eritrean cyclists at the African Cycling Championship. Nicaragua breaks diplomatic ties with Israel. And Turkey and Serbia agreed to cooperate in developing defense industries. On your local reports, Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Houri, governor of the Gashbarka region, held a meeting with vegetable farmers in Fortosawa subzone. At the meeting, which took place during an inspection tour on 6 October, where Ambassador Mahmoud visited vegetable farmers along the Sawa River in Hamid administrative area to assess their progress. Ambassador Mahmoud highlighted that extensive vegetable farming is being carried out in the Fortosawa subzone. He emphasized the importance of holding regular meetings to address challenges faced by farmers and to enhance irrigation farming activities. He identified several challenges farmers are encountering, including the production of similar crops at the same time, water wastage, poor communication on production quantities, and deforestation efforts undertaken to expand farmland. Ambassador Mahmoud stressed the need for proper assessment and the implementation of corrective measures to address these issues. Ambassador Mahmoud also encouraged farmers to adopt organic fertilizers and announced the formation of a committee to oversee their daily activities and provide support as needed. The vegetable farmers noted that with the regular guidance and supervision of agricultural experts and local administrations, they have successfully grown various vegetables and supplied local markets with products at fair prices. Proceeding with your news, Eritrean cyclists have achieved remarkable successes at the 2024 African Championship, currently taking place in Eldoret, Kenya. In today's elite and under-23 women's road race competition, Eritrean cyclists secured 3 medals. In the elite women's category, which covered 104.4 kilometers, Eritrean athlete Adiam Dawit earned the silver medal, finishing behind a South African competitor and collecting 200 UCI points. Additionally, Susanna Fisahaye placed 6th and Milena Yafet 8th, earning 90 and 70 UCI points respectively. In the under-23 category, Adiam Dawit won the gold medal, while Susanna Fisahaye secured the bronze. At the junior women's competition held last Friday, which covered 67.2 kilometers, Eritrean cyclist Nardos Tsegai won the gold medal with a time of 2 hours, 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Eldana Berekhet earned 3rd place, securing the bronze medal. In the men's race, which covered 100.8 kilometers, Eritrean cyclists achieved a podium sweep. Kevin Taklemariam won the gold medal, followed closely by Nahum Ephraim with silver and Sem Eyob with bronze. The trio completed the race in 2 hours, 23 minutes and 38 seconds, maintaining a 2 minute and 45 seconds lead over the competition. So far, the Eritrean national cycling team has amassed 13 medals at the championship, including 6 gold medals. The African Cycling Championship will conclude with the men's road race covering 154.4 kilometers, where Eritrean professional cyclist Henok Mulubrahan, a member of the Aston team, is anticipated to achieve a hat-trick. On your last local report, Karen Hospital successfully performed cataract surgeries on 252 patients between 1 and 10 October 2024. According to Mr. Kahsai Siyum, head of the eye treatment unit at the hospital, the surgeries were conducted on patients identified during ocular diagnostic screenings carried out in remote areas of the region at the end of August and the beginning of September. Mr. Kahasai commended the efforts of the Ministry of Health branch in the region, along with the hospital staff, particularly the eye treatment unit, for their role in the successful execution of the program. He emphasized that the pre-screening process to identify patients in need of surgery significantly contributed to the program's success. He also encouraged the public, especially individuals over the age of 40, to visit healthcare facilities regularly for eye checkups to monitor and manage their eye health. The patients who benefited from the surgeries expressed their gratitude for the opportunity to regain their vision and urged continued support for those living in remote areas. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. The government of Nicaragua has announced that it will break diplomatic relations with Israel, adding to the country's growing isolation on the global stage amid its war on Gaza. Nicaraguan Vice President Rosario Murillo announced the move to state media on Friday after Congress passed a resolution calling for action following the one-year anniversary of the Gaza war on October 7. Murillo, President Daniel Ortega's wife, said her husband instructed the government to break diplomatic relations with the fascist and genocidal government of Israel. The announcement is largely a symbolic one, since Israel does not have a resident ambassador in the Nicaraguan capital, Managua, and relations between the two nations are nearly non-existent. Since the announcement comes at a time when Israel is undergoing diplomatic scrutiny amid a brutal campaign in Gaza and expanding attacks across the Middle East, including in Lebanon. On today's final report, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan revealed his country's decision to cooperate with Serbia in developing defense industries on Friday, noting that Turkish-Serbian relations are experiencing their golden era. During a press conference with his Serbian counterpart, Alexander Vučić, in Belgrade, Erdogan confirmed that Turkey's investments in Serbia have increased from $1 million to $405 million over the past 12 years. He noted that the trade volume between the two sides has exceeded $2 billion for 2 consecutive years. The Turkish president, who arrived in Serbia on an official visit, the second of its kind in 2 years, pointed out that 11 agreements were signed during the visit, which will strengthen the foundations of relations. You're still watching us on ERi-TV. Dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Meeting on developing irrigation farming in Port Osawa. Victory of Eritrean cyclists at the African Cycling Championship. Nicaragua breaks diplomatic ties with Israel. And Turkey and Serbia agreed to cooperate in developing defense industries. Viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.